Hello? Asama, I beg, you get Zimbabwe answer. You don't get. Oh, you're fine for me now. I'll give you 10%. Thank you. Hello, my daughter. Now my Zimbabwe woman won't pay. How much? $500,000. If I want to drop 2 seconds, I will use everywhere jam. Mommy, that money, if they convert that Zimbabwe dollars to Nigeria currency, I'm 2.5 now.
Jesus!
2.5? And I use 5K, that's all. Then I will feel.
Jesus is Lord!
That's it, they want me 2.5. Yes, now.
What? Are you telling me the truth?
That be me again. Mama, hello. Yaw mama.